Hey, so here I am with the Redmi 13C and let me show you the quick unboxing of this device. So I already cut out this foil to don't waste your time. And now we've got the box, that's the phone, it's packaged with the foil. So now let's move into our smartphone. That's how it looks. There's like 3 cameras, the 50 megapixel main sensor, some kind of the marking right here. At the top we can find the headphone jack. On the right side we can find the volume button, the power button linked with the fingerprint sensor. At the bottom we can find one speaker, USB-C input, the microphone, and on the left side we can find the SIM tray. Let's find if we can actually check if we've got here the micro SD slot and the dual SIM card. There we go. As you can see right here, we can find the micro card slot, the 2 SIM cards, and if you want to power on your phone, you can for sure do this by holding the power button. Just like this. Okay, and you will feel the vibration and the phone will be turned on. Next, let's move into the box. Let's check for the box accessories. Okay, so here we can find the SIM tool, and right here we can find the USB-C cable. That's the USB-C to the USB-A, the warranty card, and the safety information. And that's basically it. So now if you are looking for some tutorials with this phone, for sure you can find them on my YouTube channel. And that's basically it right now. Please subscribe to my channel. Bye bye.